Hi guys, today I'm coming to tell you about an amazing plant that is perfect for your lungs if you have any lung conditions like asthma, pneumonia, bronchitis, a congested lung, anything like that, guys. Here is the solution for you, the mighty mullein plant. This plant can be made into a tincture, into a tea, into a poultice. It's just beautiful. This mullein plant is grown organically, fresh out here in the wild, guys. No pesticides, no herbicides, nothing like that. That's nasty. That's going to damage your health. It is pure, it is organic, just for you. Contact us today if you'd like to purchase your fresh leaves to use for tincture. If you'd like some dried leaves to use for tea, this is the place to order. Just find us on Etsy at Africari Naturals, or you can purchase from Instagram at Africari Naturals, or you can send me a DM. You can send me an email at africarinaturals1@gmail.com to purchase yours today. Take care, guys. Buy from us at Africari Naturals and from the Mighty Mullein plant. Take care, guys.